Happy New Year everyone! How are you spending your new year? Yesterday I actually premiered a video and we went to bed early. Today is a early day, it's January 1 and we are loading the SLS to finally bring it down so that we can work on the wide body. It's also the birthday of our sister Kim and we're gonna go have lunch with the family. But definitely we are gonna drop this off and hopefully mid-January they can start on the body process already. We're not using the 3D scans just yet. We are using a lot of the old panels because it's there already, it's damaged, and I thought, you know what, just to make the process faster, we will use that. But we will keep experimenting with the 3D printer and the 3D scanner. I did bring the scanner, packed it into Range, so we're gonna load this up, have some breakfast, and head down to Manila. I think I did this to Camel too. Every new year, ask them to pick up a car to bring down to Manila. There was a 997 GT3 last year, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm so excited to start working on this project, doing the wide body. We have a Y-Stack supercharger waiting, at the near full titanium exhaust waiting, and obviously custom air struts from Eric's. And we actually don't have wheels yet for this. We're gonna do the body first and measure the wheels after, and then figure that out later on. But for now, definitely it's tearing it down again. This is the 2023 project to start with, and I think Kevin's gonna do an amazing job letting the car idle first because it hasn't idled in a long while. I also have a brand new head unit which I haven't installed. It's in the trunk, and I know, yeah, this car hasn't run in a while and it's such a mint car. I felt so bad that we needed to tear it down to scan it, but it actually taught me a lot of things about the car, also in terms of what we can do with the body design. I know you guys don't show love for the M4, but I actually truly love driving this car. This car is such a good handling car. It's got lots of power, it's a manual gearbox, and it is tail happy. Here are the Brada forged wheels for the M4 with the Dimag barrels. We actually tried to stick to the similar design. What I quite don't like with the design for the Dimag is the centers get super small, but we do have a wide body kit for this. It's sitting actually over there, and this will be another 2023 project. It is 2023 and we are in a 2023 Range Rover, and you guys might be wondering, why do we have the demo unit from Range Rover in our hands? It's because we bought it. We only bought it because Range Rover basically told me that they don't know when our special custom Range Rover is going to be in production. We thought we had a build date last December. They said by March we might have a build date, but they basically messaged me again saying like it was unconfirmed in the system, only verbally confirmed, which meant we still don't have a actual production date for the special order Range Rover. It's because we got the short wheelbase with the big engine, which apparently no one seems to be ordering. This diesel 350D variant is actually very capable. It's very quick already, and I'm super happy with it. Also, another reason we bought it, it's like I'm playing the stock market for cars, because they were saying that the base price for this unit has actually gone up to 2 or 3 million more already. Hopefully we get a actual production date for the other Range Rover, because that one is in a special Batumbi gold color, and I really want to see that one with the big engine spec and feel how much power it has. This car is so smooth, it's so comfortable, and the ride is just immaculately soft. I don't know what other new things are happening on this channel, but we have more JDM content coming. We do have the 4-rotor upgrade for the FDRX7, which I probably uploaded already. We do have the 240Z where the RB28 is going to get shoehorned in, and I have the Skyfiro, which is revived but still needs a lot of work, but basically running already. I do have another Z on order, but we don't know when the arrival date for the Z will be, so we just gotta wait and see. We do have a wide body kit for this special Z also.
Don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure you just made my world stop.
That was easily the fastest trip that we've ever done from the lake So now we're gonna unload the SLS and park it first. Can't wait to hear the veneer exhaust on this car. According to Keith, it's going to be super loud, and he thinks I shouldn't have gotten these straight pipes, but we ended up getting the Y-Tech long tube headers along with the veneer exhaust. I hope they both mate together, but basically it's going to be a custom system where it's going to have nice equal length long tube headers along with the supercharger, and then we got the TCU flash as you saw in the previous video. So it's going to be an exciting build, although we can't start on the mechanical work yet because I do want to do the body work first. Let's listen to the stock exhaust. We have a little heat in the engine. Check what car is beside the SLS. Okay, mission accomplished. Let's get back in the Rover. Check this out, guys. This is a super duper old school G-Class. It's so heavy. We are doing a continuation for the vlog yesterday because there wasn't much things to do yesterday. So today we are going to take out the 458 Speciale, and from the last vlog update, this had the Prazis air suspension installed. We painted the wheels gold, and then we fixed the exhaust system to basically sound better. So we're just gonna head out for lunch or brunch. Let's do a cold start. Let's hope this car starts. It's been 10 days, 9 days. Oh, barely started. The car was so close to not starting. I had to turn off the automatic headlights and the air conditioner real quick and then press the start button. Good thing the car cranked up. So we're gonna let it idle for a bit. I'm actually quite curious how long to let the car idle so that it can retain some charge. But we're headed off to our favorite breakfast place, and my wife is making fun of me. Huh, honey? Making fun of the vlog again?
Hey guys! So today on the vlog, we're going to take out this car and see if it turns on or not.
It almost didn't turn on. Now the ride from the Prazis shocks are actually very good. I went with the Prazis system because Prazis makes a electronic damping canceller kit, which means we don't have the pesky suspension light on the cluster, which actually I hate, because when you start up the car, it has this beeping sound telling you that there's something wrong with the suspension. And because of the cancel kit, we don't have that sound, and it's actually one reason why we should go with the Prazis system for the Ferraris, because it does demand that you have the suspension plugged in. So, quick tip. So the Prazis kit comes with a wired-in system, which is this remote, and it comes with this really cool remote where we have all our presets saved. So we just got to our breakfast area. I'm gonna let the car idle a little longer. Joey's gonna order food for me, and we're gonna discuss the 458 Speciale. Let's go. This is my drive height now, which is the number 2 preset, and we're going to air out now, which is pressing number 6. Love it. Nothing like air suspension when you park a car like this. It's actually kind of super low where the fender liner is actually bumping out, and I gotta fix that and sort of realign everything. So the car has a super special wrap from Second Skin. This is the trans flag colors, as you guys know. It is the blue and pink with the white stripe. We're running some HRE wheels, which got repainted by Edward and the boys at Hazard Boy. The air suspension is Prazis shocks and air management along with an endo tank. And then we also have a Kline full in-canal exhaust on this, and we're going to show you the setup in front. This is the endo tank system. We have our compressor built into the tank, and this is the Prazis piano valve system. We decided to high mount everything because I didn't want to lose all my trunk space by putting the tank below. At least this way we're able to stuff the inside of the trunk before we can lose the top space of the trunk, if that makes sense. Now here in the back we have a Darwin Pro Aero lower rear diffuser in carbon fiber. We also have the Kline internal exhaust. Sounds super good. This is by far one of the best sounding naturally aspirated V8 motors. We have the details from second skin all the way up till the valve covers over there. Now I've had the 458 Speciale for actually a few years already, and it was one of those cars that when I bought it, I actually knew that it was going to be a future classic. That's why I still have it till today. It was actually, I guess, my second or third local Ferrari. Anyway, breakfast first. Please start. Okay. Let's talk about some facts about the 458 Speciale. Did you know that there was only 3,000 production in the coupe version, and then for the Spider version or the Aperta, they only had 499. Now the Speciale coupe was not limited in numbers, but they also did select who they sold it to. But the Aperta was the more special variant where they only had 499 versions. 458 because it's a 4.5 liter flat plane crank V8. This is our air up height. As you can see, it's nice and high. We're headed to Caravan Black. For those of you who are looking for a nice coffee shop to go to, please visit our cousin's place. Here's the birthday girl. Hey, birthday girl. Hello.
Hello.
This is Ben and Isa. Isa's ready to pop.
But not right now, please.
Haha, we're out. Weather is so weird. It rained and now it's super sunny again. So let's go back to the facts about the 458 Speciale. We also know that this is the first time Ferrari has put in a DCT gearbox, which is the 7-speed DCT, which shifts super fast. But compared to the Ferrari Pista, it actually does shift a little slower now. But still, the Speciale shifts faster than the regular 458 Italia. And again, for me, it's the best sounding Ferrari, especially with the Kline internal exhaust. It sounds so good. But yeah, beyond those facts, it is the lightened version from the 458 Italia. So what makes the Speciale special is that it actually is a few kilograms lighter than the regular 458 production variants. It also does shift faster and feels like there's more horsepower. I have double checked the facts on that. But we are nearing the end. We are probably gonna end the vlog soon and start another vlog tomorrow. See you guys again in the next video.